So, welcome back, students. Now we are taking the revision of chapter 1, that is chapter sets. So, what is set? A set is well defined collection of objects. What is set? A set is well defined collection of objects. So, sets are usually denoted by capital letters, capital A or capital B or capital C or XYZ. For example, let A is a set of all the months of a year beginning with the letter J. So, in a year, you very well know there are 12 months, and the months which are beginning with the letter J, so that's are January, June, and July. So, it is well defined. That's why it is a set of three elements. So, January, June, and July are known as elements. That's will be separated by commas and are enclosed within braces sign. Similarly, what is set? A set of vowels. So all of you know that A, E, I, O, U are the vowels. So that is well defined. So which is not a set, which is not well defined. Suppose most talented person of the world. So there is the different opinion on this most talented persons of the world. So that's why you can't make a set of this type of person. Now next, that is, there are two types of sets representation or set presentation. The first is roster form. In the roster form, the set of all natural numbers, suppose you are writing, which are divisible by 21. So you can write 1, 3, 7, and 21. These four elements which are always divisible by 21. Now the next concept is set builder form. What do you understand by set builder form? Suppose a set contains four element 2, 4, 6, 8. So then A x says that x represent even natural numbers less than or equal to 8. So here in the set builder form, you will write an statement in this form. A is equal to x such that x represent even natural number less than or equal to 8. जो 2468 हुआ उसको आपने स्टेटमेंट में लिख दिया है. Now come to the next topic, that is types of set. Empty set, if there are no any element in the set. So such that suppose you are taking a set A written in the set builder form, x such that x is an even as well as odd natural number. So you very well know there is not a unique number which is even as well as odd. So here set A is an empty set. It can be written by the phi or an empty braces sign. So this empty set can also be known as null set or void set. VOID, void set. Now the second type of set, that is equal set. So by name you very well know that if each and every element of set A is a member of set B, as you may see here, set A contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 elements. Set B contains 4 elements, 4, 3, 1, 2. Number 3, that is finite set. So by the name of this finite set, it means it contains finite number of element. As you may see here, 3, 4, 7, only 3 elements in this set. Infinite set, it means it contains infinite number of elements. Suppose a set of natural number or a set of an integer. You may see here a set of integers. So you may see here there are infinite integers. So you will write it -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Now come to the next topic, that is subset. Suppose you are taking two sets A and B. So A is the subset of B if B contains all elements which are contained or present in set A. Suppose here set A contains two elements 1 2, set B contains three elements 1 2 3. So here A is the subset of B. जो आप बड़ा सा C देख रहे हैं ये रिप्रेजेंट करता है सबसेट को. इसमें एक फार्मूला भी दिया गया है राइट साइड पर, नंबर ऑफ सबसेट्स ऑफ एनी सेट इट इज 2 रेज टू द पावर n. ये जो n है ये रिप्रेजेंट करता है नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट को. सपोज आप सेट बी ले रहे हैं तो यहाँ पे 2 रेज टू द पावर आप 3 लिख देंगे क्योंकि सेट बी के अंदर 3 एलिमेंट्स हैं 1 2 3. तो इट मीन्स सेट बी कंटेन्स 8 सबसेट्स. 2 रेज टू द पावर 3 दैट इज 8. तो सेट बी के 8 सबसेट्स हो जाएंगे. Now come to the next topic, that is intervals as subset of R. This is the manner how you may write the intervals. As you may see here, closed interval. तो यहाँ पे closed interval sign will be there, A comma B, and it can be written in the set builder form in the braces sign x such that x is greater or equal to A and x is less than or equal to B. Next is open interval. This is the sign of open interval you may see here on the page, A comma B. So it can be written as x such that x is greater than A and less than B. Similarly for semi open, it means on the right side it is closed and on the left side it is open or vice versa. So as you may see here. Next topic is power set. What is power set? A set of all the subsets. What is power set? A set of all the subsets. Suppose here a set A is given, contains two elements 1 2. So how many subsets of A? You will get 4 subsets of set A. What are these subsets? 5 1 2 and 1 2. अगर आप इसके ऊपर ही ब्रेसेस का साइन लगा देंगे सबसेट्स के ऊपर, देन इट विल बिकम पावर सेट ऑफ ए. Now come to the universal set. The basic set is called the universal set. It is denoted by the big U, as you may see here, and all its subset by the letter ABC. So what are the operations of set? Number first is union of set. So here two sets are written, A and B. You may see here in these two sets 6 8 are common. So you will write in the union only once the common element. 6 8 आप दो बार नहीं लिखेंगे. 6 8 दोनों सेट्स में कॉमन एलिमेंट है, तो ये 6 8 आप सिर्फ एक बार लिखेंगे यूनियन में. सो व्हाट इज ए यूनियन बी? इट इज 2 4 6 8 10 and 12. On the other hand, intersection में we will write only the common element because in the set A and B 6 8 are repeating, 6 8 are common elements. So what is intersection means? Common part. तो ये जो उल्टा U बना हुआ है that is shows as union intersection, sorry, it is known as intersection. So what is A intersection B? That is 6 8. Now come to difference of set. Set A and B are given here. So what is A minus B? जो दोनों में कॉमन होंगे वो छोड़ देंगे और जो एलिमेंट A में बचेंगे. So 1 3 5 is remaining in the set A. You will write as A minus B here. Similarly, if you have to show B minus A, then you will write only the remaining element of B because 2 4 6 are repeating in set A as well as in set B. So what is remaining in set B? That is 8. Now the next topic is complement of a set A. Suppose U is a universal set, then what is complement of set A? That will be shown as A dash. A dash means universal set minus A. हम यूनिवर्सल सेट में से उस सेट को माइनस करके जिस हम कॉम्प्लीमेंट किसी भी सेट का निकाल सकते हैं. So what is complement of A? That is A dash, that is U minus A. As you may see here, putting the set elements of U that is universal set, as well as A, we will get only 1 4. Now next topic is law of algebra. So what is A union A? That is A intersection A, that is A union phi, that is A intersection universal set, that is A. Similarly, here on this page, students, you may see more laws of algebra on sets. A union B, that is B union A, and A intersection B, that is B intersection A. In the fourth part, it is associative law. In the fifth part, it is also distribution or associative law. Now the sixth, that is complement law or De Morgan's theorem, you may you may see here A union B whole dash, that is A dash intersection B dash, A intersection B whole dash, that is A dash union B dash. The seventh part, that is complement law, that is A union A dash, you will get always universal set. A intersection A dash, that is always equal to the phi set. Law of empty set and universal set, you may see phi dash, that is equal to universal set, and universal dash, that is equal to phi. Now this last three formula, that is most important, and means number of element in A union B, and A union B, that is equal to number of element in A plus number of element in B minus number of element in A intersection B. So it is very useful formula which will be used in exercise 1.5. Similarly, in the 10th, an A union B union C's formula is written, and in the 11th, that is written an A minus B, that is Na minus an A intersection B. Now students, as previously we have solved exercise 1.12 miscellaneous exercise, the same in the same manner we will take one more time revision of these questions. And which question is not solved, it means you have to solve that. So all the questions which are difficult, students they are saying that this is difficult question, so these questions are solved here. So if you will see the first question, first part, the collection of all the months of a year beginning with the letter J. In the previous papers I have already solved January, June and July. In the second part, the collection of 10 most talented writers of India, it cannot be said because different persons may have different opinion for this question, the collection of 10 most talented. So it is not a set. In the same way, question number 2, set A contains 6 elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we have to fill in the blanks. So first part 5, it is the sign of belongs to, 5 belongs to A because 5 present in set A. In the second part 8 does not belong to A, ये belongs to का साइन करके काट दिया है, that is 8 does not belong to A because 8 does not exist in the set A. Similarly, remaining parts you may solve. Question 3, write in the roster form A is equal to x such that x is an integer and x is less than 7 and x is greater than minus 3. So it is a set builder form is given and you have to write it in the roster form. So A is equal to minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is the solution of this question number 3. Now come to the next question, that is sixth part of third question. A set of all the letters in the word better. So E is repeating 2 times, T is repeating 2 times. So you will write only one time of this 2, that is B, comma E, comma T, comma R. Now question number 4, write the following sets in the set builder form 3, 6, 9, 12. So here roster form is given and we have to convert in the set builder form. So you can write a is equal to x as that x is a multiple of 3 because 6, 3, 6, 9, 12 are 9, 12 are multiple of 3. So you may write it x is less than or equal to 12 and greater or equal to 3. Similarly, the third part you may solve. Now come to the question 5. List all the elements of the following set. X says that x is an odd natural number. So odd natural number you know which are not divisible by 2. So it is 1, 3, 5, 7 and so on. Similarly, the second part of question number 5, that is set B. X says that x is an integer where x is less than 9 upon 2 and greater than minus half. So integers between minus half and 9 upon 2. 9 upon 2 means 4.5. So the value for x in between minus 0.5 and 4.5, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. In the similar manner, the third part, x says that x is an integer, x square is less than or equal to 4. So you may write the integer minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, which are less than or equal to 4.